incredible India. Our India has unity in diversity. It has an old civilization. It is known for peace and freedom. After the independence of India, 15th August in 1947, it was important for our nation to have strong law. Then government is formed a conception of assembly responsible to make conception of India. Yeah, it was adopted on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950, which is celebrated as Republic Day of India. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic, assures its citizens justice, equality and liberty, and aims to promote fraternity. Through we have seen lots of development in the field of infrastructure, IT, medicine, on hospital, education, tourism, etc. We still lag behind in some area, which we are going to see through this skit. Come, let's watch what is happening.
Hey lady, how many times should I tell you that you should not compress against me? Lady, how many times would I tell you that you should not compress against me? If the truth is in your side, do you think you can win the case? Do you know who I am? I am a big shot in this place. The people, after hearing my name, they tremble. I have lot of money. I have money to buy the lawyers. I have money to buy the justice. Do not think big of yourself. I can destroy you completely.
Continue.
What is this? I trust you, but you did not fight my side. Why, madam? I already told you to arrange the money I asked, but you didn't. See, he gave me a lot of money to be his side. Did the same. Madam, I was very poor. How can I arrange you money you asked? That's your problem. Patient is in very critical situation. We need 4 lakhs in order to do an operation. Otherwise, we can't proceed further.
Let's start the procedure. Right now, I have only 1 lakh. I will try to keep remaining money. Let's start the... Later, my family's financial conditions is very poor. Please try to adjust with this itself.
I can understand your situation. As you know, we can't take any patient before one pays entire money. Do you see how big the hospital, how many facilities we have, how many specialities we have? Do you think we can run this hospital without money? No. Get out of this place. Now send them outside.
Doctor, please do not tell like that. Doctor, please do not tell like that. Take care of him.
Don't shout here. Pay money, otherwise go from here. Eager to study. Can you join me in the school? I will be happy there.
See, daughter, in our society, girls are not allowed to study. They are not even allowed to go outside in the public or marketplace. So don't ask, since others are going. If you go outside, people will talk bad about me. Watch the results, which is already left in the kitchen.
No, Papa, I want to go to school. Leave me. Whatever you say, I will definitely go to school. You can't stop me.
If you talk more, then my hands will speak. Tell me, what did your mother study? What did your grandmother even study? Nothing. If you go outside, I will break your legs.
Jai Amar Netaji! Jai Amar Netaji! Jai Amar Netaji!
Come, Neta madam. We are waiting for you a long time. Where are the fulfillments of your promises? You made in election, you got money from the government for our village development. But we could not see any development here.
Development, money, election. What do you think? Did I come to this position because of your votes? No. I came to this position because I gave a lot of money to other people and places. This is not my priority to look after you. How dare you to come and ask me like that? Hey ladies, throw these people away from this place.
Get out from this place.
Why we should not come? Is it not a common place?
Yes, I know, but it does not belong to you. People go away from here.
Papa, I also want to go and play inside the park. Please, Papa, please. No, beta, they are not allowing to go inside. Why, Papa, why? We are poor people, they are rich people. That's why they are not allowing to go inside.
All note that the common people are facing problems like injustice, unfair, untouchability in our society. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, political democracy cannot be unless there lies at the base of its social democracy. Social democracy means a way of life that regains liberty, equality. To come up with solutions, let us pledge today to the generation to end this divided. Let us be the voices for those whose voices have been suppressed. Let us turn the dream and equal society into a reality. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.